I felt like doing some acrylics today, so let's do a painting with them. First, let's start with a bit of a sketch. Yeah, it's a bit messy to start with, but it gets the idea across of what I want to paint down and maps everything out where it needs to be. So that's where we'll start with. Of course, also it's a bit smudgy because I needed to erase some stuff, but oh well. So, I added down a bit of the base color. I made sure to do my brush strokes in a way that kind of mimicked the movement of where I wanted all the fur to be, so that even my underlayer gets the point across of what I'm wanting to make. So, we add a little bit of depth. For kind of the highlights, I wanted a bit of this greenish yellow to it, and added more purple and kind of blue for the shadows. Looking good so far, but it could use a little more detail. And to make it pop, I added some of those oranges that you see in the background. I really wanted to make it feel like whatever light is lighting up that patch of the background is lighting up the creature. So this part actually scared me when I had to do it. I knew that I had to put the scar for the eye, but it scared me that I'd mess up the face. It worked out though. And so here it looks now that I've detailed all those ashen flowers and branches around him more. I think it comes out pretty good, and I was pretty satisfied. The whiskers also weren't too bad actually once I managed to work on them a little bit more and highlight them. And of course, here's the completed product, now in full daylight. What do you think?